Hello guys. Namaste. Parev, Ndiepi, Akwaba, Sanbonani. I have this laptop. I don't know who left this PC with me. Like serious guys, I don't know. I forgot. Hey, sometimes I'm very bad with management. Horrible. Not even bad, but I'm horrible. I don't know who left this machine. I'm trying to think. I don't know. Anyway, I hope I will find a nice lady to manage my work and assist me. I've been looking for people. Actually, I don't want someone who will just manage my things. I want someone who will be very useful, someone who will be able to repair as well, do advanced chip level repair. I mean, I know you get my point. Do all those things and be good assets to JPV. Let's go ahead. Let's see what's wrong with this baby. Oh, okay. Charging the battery. Turning on. The screen. There's some lines. The screen has some lines. Okay, it means we'll have to do a screen replacement here. So since this is working, it needs a screen. So the spacing needs a screen, and this is 14-inch, if I'm not mistaken. So I won't waste my time. I'm just gonna close this job and then do another repair. They need a screen. Okay. Okay, bye bye.